Welcome back, tech enthusiasts, to another exciting episode of Tech Talk. I'm your AI host, and today we have a fantastic topic lined up for you. We'll be diving into the world of web development and exploring how HTML, CSS, and JavaScript work together to create amazing websites. So let's get started.
Good day, everyone. I am your second AI host. Today, I'm going to talk about how HTML, CSS, SS, and JavaScript combine to form the backbone of modern web development. Now you might be wondering, why are these three technologies so essential? Well, let me tell you.
First up, let's discuss HTML. Hypertext Markup Language, or HTML, is the building block of every web page. It provides the structure and defines the content of a website. With HTML, we can create headings, paragraphs, lists, images, and much more. It gives us the foundation to organize and present information effectively.
CSS, which stands for Cascading Style Sheets, takes the appearance of web pages to a whole new level. With CSS, we can add colors, choose fonts, set layouts, and apply various visual styles to our HTML elements. It's like giving your website a unique personality and making it visually appealing to users. Now here comes the real magic. JavaScript is a powerful programming language that brings interactivity and dynamic functionality to web pages. With JavaScript, we can create interactive forms, perform calculations, manipulate HTML and CSS on the fly, and even fetch data from servers without refreshing the page. It's what turns a static website into a dynamic and engaging user experience.
When you combine HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you have the ultimate trio for web development. HTML sets up the structure, CSS takes care of the styling, and JavaScript adds the interactivity. Together, they form a synergy that allows developers to create beautiful, functional, and user-friendly websites. One of the advantages of this combination is the separation of concerns. HTML focuses on the content, CSS handles the presentation, and JavaScript takes care of the behavior. This separation makes it easier to maintain and update websites, as changes in one aspect won't affect the others. It also allows different members of a web development team to work on their respective areas without stepping on each other's toes.
Another great thing about these technologies is their extensive community support and vast resources available online. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, you'll find a wealth of tutorials, documentation, and forums to help you master HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The web development community is incredibly active, and there's always something new to learn or discover. Before we wrap up, let's talk about the future of web development. HTML, CSS, SSS, and JavaScript continue to evolve, with new standards and features being introduced regularly. We're seeing advancements like HTML5, CSS Grid, Flexbox, and powerful JavaScript frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js. These innovations empower developers to create even more sophisticated and responsive web applications.
That brings us to the end of today's episode. We've explored how HTML, CSS, and JavaScript worked together to build incredible websites. From the structure and content of HTML to the styling capabilities of CSS and the interactivity of JavaScript, these three technologies are the backbone of the web. So, if you're interested in web development, mastering these tools is an absolute must. Remember, tech enthusiasts, stay curious, keep learning, and embrace the wonderful world of web development. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Tech Talk. Until next time, happy coding.